Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to make a 3D button in PixelLab using the skeuomorphism style, like this one. Skeuomorphism is a term often used in graphical user interface design to describe interface objects that mimic or resemble their real-world counterparts in how they appear and how the user interacts with them. You can also try it out on your own and make other variations of it. So, don't skip this video and make sure to watch it to the end. Also, don't forget to press the subscribe button and bell icon. Now, let's jump straight into the PixelLab interface. Okay guys, I'm now in PixelLab and first I'm going to delete this default text and change the color of the background to a gradient. Make sure the gradient is linear and it is at 90 degrees. I will be taking the hue of the first color stop from a color palette I created, which is linked in the description below. By the way, color stops are stopping points in a gradient that show a specific color at the exact location we define. For the first color stop, I will be choosing this color, and for the second color stop, I will be choosing the second color here. Now, we need to create a circle. Head to the Shapes tool under the Object tab and choose the circle shape. Then, increase the size to 58% and center it in the canvas. We are going to apply a radial metal texture to the circle to give it a metallic effect. The texture is also linked in the description below. Again, create another circle and take the fill opacity all the way down to 0, give it a stroke weight of 3 or 4 pixels and a 90-degree linear gradient using the third and first color in the color palette respectively. Then reduce the size to 46%. We are going to create another circle that is going to be used as a chamfer for the button. Create a circle and give it a 90-degree linear gradient of the first color and third color respectively. Increase the size to 64% and send it to the far back. Copy the chamfer circle we created earlier and increase the size to 65%, then give it a solid fill of the darkest gray color in the color palette. Send it to the far back, give it a shadow color of black, blur the radius to 25 pixels, and set the Y offset to 15 pixels. Create the last circle, which will serve as a hollow for the button we're creating. Increase the size to 77% and give it a 90-degree linear gradient of the third color and the first color respectively. Now, we're going to emboss this circle. Slide down to the Emboss tool, adjust the light angle to around 270 degrees. Increase the other properties to 100, and reduce the bevel to around 11 or let's say 10. Now, we're done. I'm gonna save this. You can decide to merge all the circle shapes if you wish to. You can also make variations of your design, maybe by changing the metal texture, using a copper color palette, or adding a sense of function to the 3D button. Thanks everyone for watching. I hope you learned something amazing from this tutorial. Please, don't forget to press the like and subscribe buttons. Also, the notification bell, so that you'll get a notification anytime I post another amazing tutorial. Thanks, and I'll see you next time.